The TOMLOV DM9 Max Microscope features a stunning 10.1-inch high-definition IPS display, providing vibrant colors and a wide viewing angle for an exceptional visual experience. With an impressive zoom range from 5 times to 1,500 times, this microscope allows users to explore intricate details, making it perfect for examining coins, soldering, and more. The HDMI and USB output options enable seamless connectivity to computers, TVs, or projectors, making it ideal for presentations and remote learning. Capturing and sharing discoveries is effortless with the one-button recording function, and the included 64GB SD card offers ample storage for images and videos. Equipped with advanced audio features, the microscope captures clear sound in video mode, which is particularly useful for recording lectures and observations. The wireless remote control enhances stability by minimizing screen shaking, and the adjustable LED lights ensure optimal clarity in diverse lighting conditions.